Taking a deep breath in this moment, we welcome in this time of meditation together. This time where we join together in consciousness and stillness. And we acknowledge the power of coming together in community for the practice. Connecting now in thought and in heart with everyone experiencing this moment right where they are. Throughout the United States and our international friends in Brisbane and London and England. Throughout the world. Those right here in this sanctuary. There is no time and no distance in truth. So we experience the togetherness of this moment. Breathing in oneness. Arriving fully and completely right here in the now. Letting go of all of our ideas of spirituality or religion or the practice. And simply entering an authentic state of allowing. Just really knowing how earthy and how spiritual we are without even trying. Just allowing ourselves to feel our nature, to really feel it like a child waking up to a moment without all the baggage, without all the thinking, without all of the trying. We let this moment be full and complete, without effort. With the breath guiding us and directing us, inhaling and exhaling into the silence. In this space, we reclaim our wholeness. Any aspects of self that have been left aside or rejected. We simply welcome home, knowing the beauty of our fullness. Any visions or dreams we may have set aside, we have the courage to be present to them, asking what they have for us. Any emotions we may have cut off for fear that they may overcome us. We breathe into the pure power and presence of absolute love as a harmonizing faculty that gives us the strength and the courage and the grace to be with what is, to never be diminished by an experience or an emotion, a thought, an activity, or an action, but instead to be the continual birthplace of wholeness, pure wholeness that has more than enough capacity to breathe into what is with full acceptance and to create from this moment. We bless this practice. We allow gratitude to expand within our hearts for the wisdom and the awareness to enter the silence, to remember the practice, and to show up. For this journey we call life. And so it is.